Your name is Greg. Are you a petite garçon or petite fille? Okay. Greg is a little girl. Now, look at this. Greg learned how to walk inside Omniverse, obeying the laws of physics. And inside Omniverse, we created hundreds of thousands of scenarios. Then finally, when Greg learned how to operate and walk and manipulate in those environments on sand and on gravel, on slippery floors, on concrete, on carpet, then when Greg comes into the physical world is just 100,001 version of the world. And so you learn how to walk in the virtual world, and look at you now. Can you jump? Wow. Can you dance? Well, I just want to let you know, I am the keynote presenter. So I need you to behave. I need you to behave for a few seconds. Could you sit? Sit. Hey, you know what we should do? Let's take a picture of everybody. Yeah. Bam, bam. Would you like to come home with me? Would you like to come home with me? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I have pets. They would like to have you as a pet. No? No. You're so smart. You're so smart. Well, incredible, right? You are the world's best robot, and someday we'll all have one like you, and they'll follow us around. But if I need a glass of whiskey, you're going to have to go tell somebody else to go get me a glass of whiskey because you have no arms. Yeah, you're so cute. Okay, little girl, you stay here for a second. Let's wrap up.